Hello guys, this is Manandothegoat here. So guys, I'm going to analyze two pairs only, which is going to be the USDJPY and the USD So I'm starting with the USD So on the USD you can see on the highest level we have that highest height, and on the lowest level we have these lowest level. So guys, when we have a structure like this, we can start from the highest height. The highest height of the trend line, you can take a trend line going down with it, from there going down. As you can see guys, the market has been respecting that trend line for so long. So again, on the lowest low, we are going to do this one. So this is our structure on the daily. So from the daily, I'm gonna go to the 4 hour. Guys, one thing about the chart is once you see it, you can't unsee it. So it's always in the mind. Once you see it once, you already know what's gonna happen. So guys, as you can see, we had this thing here. You understand? So to other people, they didn't understand why it sold. I told them that there was a double top there. So the anticipation of my take profit level, I'll show you on the 1 hour. Now I'm switching to the 1 hour. So guys, the more you switch those time frames, the more you see the bigger picture of the market. Understand, guys? Is the more you see the bigger picture of the market. As you can see, this thing here, it was a flag. This is a large flag. We call it the large flag. So here, guys, as I always tell you, we have two types of entries. So if you took your position based on this level here, straight, you took a risk entry. But then the take profit for me is there. Always set your stop loss tight. So from the 1 hour, I'm gonna go to the last time frame, which is the M15. So on the M15, you'll see how the market is moving, guys. Once you understand how the market moves, you're going to be good in this trading thing. If you can check here, guys, this was a structure. Okay, from there going up, it's nice. 1, 2, third touch. Understand? So the third touch is the highest probability, guys, as I always tell you. You see how we have this one. This is a clean chart. So now we can just wait for the market to sell till here. Then again, guys, we're gonna be coming for what? We're gonna be coming for the entry again, which is the risk entry. Understand? Because the market keeps scaling, it gives you chances of scaling. So we might be going to that level again, and after that level, then you can do what we can drop. You see, guys, how easy it is. Once you see those things, guys, you can't unsee them. You see it once, then you're done with it. So, and guys, I hope you understand what I'm doing here. If you don't, you will ask me the messages on the app, so we can get a conclusion on everything. So here, then you can we go down. So this is what I had on this one, guys. And best believe that everyone is going to have a better understanding on this pair, on how I started it. So to me, it wasn't surprising that it sold into that level. But then if you're not trading the same strategy as me, you can be caught at the wrong side of the market, asking yourself what really happened. But then the answer there is just follow the structure. Structure is key, guys. They shouldn't lie to you. Like the more you understand the structure, as the more forex becomes more simple. Understand? If you can check, a lot of people, they're complicating this forex thing. Forex is not as hard as people say. you know so guys, this is what I have. Once you see those things, I know them. Like when you know them, you can't unknow them, if that makes sense. It's always gonna be there with you. Like the skill is for like lifetime. So now I'm gonna be doing USDJPY, then I'm done with this one, with these pairs. So USDJPY again, I'll be starting USDJPY on the daily. I'll be starting both on the daily. So I'm gonna go to the daily. This is the daily. So let's check on the daily. 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 Okay. So the daily looks like this, guys. Okay. So I'm going to need a lowest low of the market. This is the lowest low of the market, and I'm gonna go to the highest height of the current structure. Highest height of the current structure. Then again into that level, I do have a structure. 1, 2. 3. It's a nice one. Then on the lowest low again, we do have another structure. You see how we get those structures together, those similar, like that small movement there. Then now we can go to the 4-hour and we can go deep into the charts, Oh, guys, this strategy that I'm teaching here, it's quite simple if you're willing to like learn it. You need to understand that it's not a get rich quick scheme where you can just come make money so simple. You need to like focus more on the strategy. As you focus more on the strategy, you're getting better and better each and every day. So now we are having this thing. So okay, guys, if you can check first touch, second touch, third touch. You understand? So if this is the third touch, we have two probabilities. The first one is we might go for a double top, which it makes sense. Here we might form what the M15 or the 1 hour pattern, which is still correct. You understand, guys? So there are many ways of killing a bet. So you just have to choose which way. But then here it shows a sign of rejection. So these guys now, okay, I'll explain something to you. This is a flag. You understand? So this is a what? This is a larger flag. So with this larger flag here, you can see impulse correction. So I'm just gonna come here, take whatever happened here, put it on the current structure, So after put it in the current structure, so that's how it is. See how it played out, see how everything went alright. Guys. But then there's deep that you can do inside, because I see people could say you miss patterns within patterns, but then I highlight those things which are important. Okay, but then even this one here, we can take it as an important level because it broke, it's trend line. But then I want to keep my trades complicated. So guys, it was me, Manandothegoat, on it's me, Manandothegoat, trading my USDJPY and USDCAD. I wish you all the best. Thanks.